Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why the prices of goods and services increase over time? Well, in this video, I'll be explaining why inflation exists and what causes it. Definition of inflation. First, let's define what inflation is. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and consequently, the purchasing power of currency is falling. Increase in money supply. One of the main reasons why inflation exists is an increase in the money supply. When there is more money in circulation, people have more money to spend, and this drives up the demand for goods and services. When demand exceeds supply, the prices of goods and services increase. Cost-push inflation. Another reason why inflation exists is cost-push inflation. This occurs when the cost of producing goods and services increases, and this is passed on to consumers in the form of higher prices. For example, when the cost of raw materials or labor increases, companies may have to raise their prices to maintain their profit margins. Demand pull inflation. Demand pull inflation is another reason why inflation exists. This occurs when there is excess demand for goods and services, and this drives up prices. This can happen when the economy is growing rapidly and people have more money to spend. As demand increases, companies may increase their prices to meet the higher demand. Inflation expectations. Finally, inflation can also exist due to inflation expectations. If people expect prices to increase in the future, they may start to buy goods and services now, which can increase demand and drive up prices. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where expectations of inflation lead to actual inflation. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. The main reasons why inflation exists are an increase in the money supply, cost-push inflation, demand-pull inflation, and inflation expectations. While some inflation is normal in a healthy economy, high levels of inflation can be harmful and can reduce the purchasing power of your money. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand why inflation exists.